Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you today. I hope you're having a great day or the day of your choice. Today we have the October Better Late Than Never Bijou Box. And I've tried to avoid the spoilers, but somebody told me what was in here the other day. But I'm still looking forward to seeing everything for myself. This is a $30 a month subscription. You can use code Rhonda Said, all one word. It doesn't matter what case you use to get 20% off a subscription or to get 20% off of a single box. And they always have really great sales where you can get like a year sometimes for $120 and you can still use my code on it. So it's fantastic. And there's a beautiful gold star. Let's put that mirror down. And doesn't everybody want to get a gold star in school? Wasn't it like the best thing to get a gold star from the teacher? And this is what we have in here for our box. Ooh, these lashes are very pretty. These are some purple feathery lashes. Very subtle, very pretty. And here's some orangey red ones. These are gorgeous. I don't have anything like these. Let's see. Then we have a lippy from Appeal Cosmetics, and that is a gorgeous color that I will totally use. That is beautiful. And then I've got Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick from Suva. What color did I get? I'm just destroying this box. Ooh, very pretty. I've got some colors that are similar to this, but not exactly this. And that would look great with some of my purpley looks. I can't remember if I like Suva's liquid lipstick or not. I think I've tried it before. And then there's still two more things in the box. Let's take a look at this purple. Ooh, that's really beautiful. I really like that. I'm getting to where I have so many lippies, I just don't know what to do. There's just so many. And this one is sealed, but I will crack the seal. Let's take a look at this. Very beautiful. It's really close to the color I have on right now. Louie, get down! Louie, get down. There, he's a good boy. He got down. But those are some beautiful colors. And Appeal has that good diamond-shaped doe foot that really helps distribute the colors. So you don't have to dip in a bunch of times. Cat's making noise. That's what happens here in the Rhonda house. And it looks like we have a couple of palettes. And this is Rude Flicks, a Rude Fix original series. Now streaming City of Pastel Lights. And this is from Rude Cosmetics. And Rude has some very pretty palettes. Let's see if I can get it out. And that's what it looks like on the back, which is some neons. That doesn't look pastel at all. Come on. I can't get it out of the slidey part. Am I not doing something right? I don't want to tear the package open in case I don't want to keep it. Let's try. This is not coming out. Oh, there we go. Woo! I was getting worried. It is super tight though. It ain't joking around. Ooh, that's very pretty neons. And I did tell James, my internet husband, which is different than my real life husband, Rome, that I would do something with some neons, and these are definitely some neons. So I will look forward to that. I'll put it in my basket of things to try. And then we've got one more palette in here. And, oh, I'm dropping everything. And there's a little glitter in there, so glitter's getting everywhere, which I kind of hate because I've got enough glitter as it is. But so, got those lashes, and then this palette is, ooh, it's very beautiful. And it is Pixie by Petra, Hello LA Angel. And let's see about opening this up. It is sealed, so let's break the seal. And Pixie products are really nice, and they skew on the more affordable side. And I always get, I always see mine at Target. I had to crack open this tape, it was hard. What is it with the palettes in this box today? I just can't open anything. I swear, I'm a regular girl. There we go. Ooh, that was a tough seal. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this palette. It is really beautiful. Which way do you frickin' open it? There we go. It is some beautiful colors, but I have a lot of these colors already. And this would make a great gift for somebody or something great in a giveaway. And that is just absolutely stunning. And that is a really nice palette. So today we have got quite a bit of good stuff. We got this beautiful neon palette. We got a beautiful neutrally palette. We've got 2 sets of colorful lashes. We have a beautiful Suva lip and a beautiful Appeal lip. And this is great. This is a $30 box, and I subscribed for the year. I got it in for $120 plus 20% discount, so it made it about $108 with, there's a 1 month of shipping that you pay just $5.95 one time, and then it's free shipping the rest of the year. So for about $108, I got a whole year of these boxes, and they're fantastic, especially when you get them on a good sale. But even for the $30 price, the value is still there. So I hope you guys have a great day. David Choice, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.